Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's recipe is from Geetha Selvan. Geetha is going to show us a chicken recipe with few ingredients. Thank you Geetha for sharing this great recipe with us. Let's see the video now.
Today I am preparing chicken fry with less ingredients. For this I have taken 500 grams of chicken, 3 medium-sized onion sliced, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper and salt to taste. Now let's marinate the chicken with red chili powder, ginger garlic paste and salt. Marinate the chicken and keep for 15 minutes. Take a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add onion to the oil. Fry the onion till it turns to pinkish. Now add the marinated chicken. Close the lid and keep it in a low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. After boiling the chicken for 15 minutes, add crushed pepper powder, stir it and switch off the flame. Chicken fry is ready. Chicken fry is ready. Try this recipe and post your comments to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you.
Thank you for this delicious recipe Geetha. Please try this and post your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.